going to visit his
the hardest part.
roots on Rakpasay.
Okay.
I thought you wanna go in the beach, Uji.
Where do you want to go? The beach or the mountain?
Mountains. Mountain, there.
Oh, mukhang nangangamoy na yung ano natin.
The clutch.
Look at that.
Wow. Amir mo yan?
Climbing up the mountain using the rebel.
Hindi ka pwede makasipan na.
Salam mo na.
Ha?
Salam mo na.
Wow.
Wow.
Dati bantayin ako.
that,
Dati man
Uji.
talagang ako dito. Nangato dito nga talaga nga. Insimpado
Oh,
nga.
you have a picture there.
Yun yung bantay agong.
Wow.
Yun yung bantay agong.
Agong.
Oo.
like a
Nagkakaikan
nose.
maybe.
Like sa nose.
Like a nose.
Like a nose.
What
This is
happened?
a view deck.
Oh. Then you can have, we can have picture here
Yeah.
if you want.
Because this is the viewpoint.
Wow.
Wow.
Pagkasok dito bantayin bababa na nga abala yan.
Sobra.
Dahil ito yung lang ay JY din, yung mountain trail ada tikib na. Ang papahanap yung mountain trail na.
Look at that.
Oh, the excavator. Palpalawan na.
Look at that. Going on the top of the mountains.
Dito bantay nito yung pinaptaban na talaga ng mga vlogger ng mga kunin, tourists. Pero ito, may isang tubod lang. May isang tubod lang. Diretso na dun sa baba. Dapat palinis na ito sa makita.
Go, Uji.
Come here, Dick. Gonna see your land. Look for your land.
Let's go see your tawid, Uji.
Your land.
Oh.
That's all yours. Yes, this is your land. What you see is that
Kung hanggang saan tanaw ng mata mo.
kung saan hanggang tanaw ng mata mo, anak, yan yung lupa mo.
It's the land.
Yes, this is your land.
You go there and far so you can see the pine tree over there.
Yes, but this is all yours, the land of this. Look at that.
Where did the train go?
Nakuan, kailangan iparinis.
All the trees and the plant.
Jump!
So like, look
Oh.
at that.
From there to going there on the other side.
My lawn.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is your land.
What's that inside there?
Alright.
What's that inside the tree?
What trees?
What's that noise under the tree?
We're gonna see the view down. How wide is your land? Hindi nga kwa. Hindi pangrugyan ng ganan to. Dangal yung ito ni isang medyo ano ba bati bagi data pinagsimpana. Yan yung amila dito man.
Apo.
Should go down there, Dada.
Later. Gonna picture it
Apo.
later.
Apo. Oh, you picture them.
Ako na si swimming pool na pagdigdigusan.
What did you call that
Oh.
one?
Sa fish pond.
Kuya, hit me. Kuya, put me my strawberries.
Oh, no more strawberries? Did you try the peanut? Did you taste it? Oh, you taste. You eat.
Here,
You eat.
try. It's dirty.
dirty. It's clean, oh. You try.
No, it's dirty. Where's the cup?
Dirty ka no dahil pinit.
Ada din yan kan mawawatan na ni Jen nagan ko adi. Amuna.
Ni sino?
Yan. Isuti kay ayan ko.
Ah. Kata isuruan tayo pa ni Rio dyan nga Ilocano.
Wala yun yung atagbalin.
When?
Mamam ni Lucas kat Lucas. Kami nakaslakan yan na. Boy, ba naman? Ay, naman so foolish. Tell the baby cuckoo what the baby cuckoo is playing.
What is baby Cuckoo's playing?
Bag na. Kastay na. Bag.
Yan ko na na. Uji, don't do that. Where, Uji? Ooh, there's pa, oh. Here pa, oh.
This one, we will drink the drink.
Can I see? Can I see?
Can you see?
Make pineapple smoothie.
Oh, there pa, oh. Pinakanya ko chilium.
Pineapple smoothie.
Pineapple smoothie?
A pineapple smoothie. You make a pineapple smoothie.
Oh, wow.
You make a pineapple smoothie, Tita. Pineapple smoothie.
Bigyan mo si Uji, ah.
Uji.
Nang hawakan niya. The ripe one, Uji. May dito yung nga kuha nga naluom. Iaasin. Wow. Yung jay.
Yung yellow.
The yellow one? The yellow leaf?
Yung is the same as jay.
Guy, yung yellow.
Why?
The guy that the yellow. Guy the yellow.
Tama lang ay.
Ha?
Baka may galis ka.
So that you can hit the...
Uji, where's Uji? Uji. Okay.
Uji, Uji.
There's a fish there. Wag mong... Ay! Ano nga alam? Ano nga alam? Tama. Uji, come here. Help me! Gura-gura ka na.
Ano ba yan, Uji?
Oh, the pick ko yan.
Oh, there's a lot of fish, oh.
Oh, there, oh.
Pati nga min atin yung mar.
Oh.
Peppa Fit, swinging his feet in the water.
Want to stay there?
Tato sit down here.
Oh.
This is the?
What's this?
A pan.
A fish
Yeah.
pan.
It's not the swimming pool.
Where do you want to go? The mountain or the beach? busog. Sige. Sige. Tingnan niya. Guyog. Yan ako siya. Lagi. Makahabong din. Guyog din ako malon. Ano naman ni nakakat.
Can you sing Peppa Fingers and the water?
Peppa Finger, where are you? Here I am, playing my feet in the mud, in the pond.
Mommy, come here. I said, Mommy, come here.
It's okay.
Wait, I think Mommy, come here to water. Mommy will get stuck in the water.
O, timba.
Mommy, come here. Mommy will get stuck.
Alam niyo tayo dito. Tayo dito.
What's that, Uji?
Mommy, can I get a fish in here?
Uh-oh.
We shell! Mommy, get this one. A shell.
Thank you.
Yeah, you like shell? Ay, shell.
Shell?
Ay, awan mo. Ay, nani uji dito eh.
Ano yung tawag yun di tangay?
Ang data.
Kulip po.
Oh! Ang kayo ba nga? Ang kayo nga pumanaw?
Mabigat? Mabigat pa eh?
Nabayag ko, Jay. Ay, ba?
Oh.
Bakit ka di data? Oh, itag ko kang Jay. Ay, man, tayo tatpuso na yan. Bakit mo, tita?
Ang kayo dali nga glablaban?
Lahan mo nga ilubos mo. Basta ko lang, tamayak.
What are you holding, Uji?
Ate, saro. Bye-bye.
It's Sabrina. Babay fish. There's a snake? Oh no. Vincent. Uh-oh.
Mommy, come here and wash my hand.
You wash your hand, ah. Don't throw, Uji. Tagem. Tagem hon ano ka? Itagem hon tukak.
Good backers.
Uji.
Uchi.
Hindi nga ito pag-rugana. Nakal yung ato nila ito eh. Ito pag-bubalong pa lang kami dito yung pidip-pidip na ito. Tapos ito krik-krik ito. Kung kano yung ato nila dyan napunta yan.
That's all yours, Oji.
Oh, that's yours.
Okay, you're gonna share the other thing.
You see the, ano? You see the trace.
Apoy.
From the top.
Krik na that one. Pero itong kano yung ato. Ito kalsana mo na yan.
Up, up. Oh, that's all yours.
There's a creek.
Another, what is this come from? I plant our food and water. Wow.
Oh, what
fruit do you want?
I walk when
Where?
there.
Where?
Then top a tree
Top on the trees. And then?
and another tree.
And many, many trees. From the top down.
Where's the mountain over there?
Oh, that's all yours. That mountain.
Puro Quezon gaya makinakuha dito eh. Mga buo nga bantay.
Oh, dito talo.
Broken.
Di bantingan na yung mga bulldozer. Bagay niya kasing sinmi.
Mm.
Dito? O ni Uncle yung Aponso, di nagpakasar na. Oh, you want to see the one of your...
Ancestor.
Oh,
That's your ancestors. Puntod.
Puntod dalo lagi ni lolo yun dito.
Ni sinadamat sa kahoy.
That's where your great grandparents, Uji, inside.
Mine.
Pagkaman din pa yung kinabagat na rin.
The rice bowl.
Tono, ada pa misa yun. Mabipya, naglalaki kargang pipya. Kalau siya pa yung mano, kasi ang kapi at biyak sa pang talaga nga. Nawan titinapay. Kinaban. Ang nalalati uray doon ako tsara. Naman mo gamin ng kapi at nakaraya puro may, nawan tikargang pipya. Acidic na kakarap. Kailangan ma. Ayan.
Excited nga panday beach ka. Apleta.
Ano? May biyahe. Sumambod na ilin. Awa na piti.
Sili. Dua nga po. Kita dubungan na.
Insuroni.
Lumar.
Wild berry.
That is spinach.
Wild.
Oh, day. Iskito tayo.
Aan si Manang sa...
Let's go na.
Wala ka doon ka na yung masipugan.
Uji! Uji! Yeah!
Happy?